Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nick here. I hope you guys are absolutely well. And today we'll see how we can edit multiple photos, bulk images in one click with help of Photoshop. Before I start the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe it now and join my Facebook group Premium Share to get new tips and tools every day. So, put all your photos together in a certain folder and make another folder where to save those final photos. Now in Photoshop, create a new action, then it will record all your Photoshop steps. Here we just giving a watermark to all of photos. Now we finish our first work, then hit the start button beside the record button. Now go to file and you'll see automate option. After click on this, go to batch and set your source folder and output folders. And above, if you see in the above, there is an action, and then set it to your desired step what you record earlier. That's it. Now it will work automatically.